Just the hour that we're on the ice, that is enough to cheer you up for the rest of the week. Everything that you had going on disappears the second we're on the ice together.
I think being part of the group, it makes you feel a bit seen.
Giving them a reason not to have a drink on a Friday night because they're getting up Saturday to go fishing. Giving them something to look forward to.
I love coming to Swansea Stingrays because of fitness and making friends.
It's definitely the best thing for your mental health, isn't it? Getting out, getting some fresh air.
Especially after you've been fasting the whole day, you're agitated, and you just go away with some friends and you're just calming down, winding down, you know, it's nice.
I think it just makes me happy. It's a kind of mindfulness, I would say, giving back to the community and be with people. Very selfless kind of a role.
Pryd nath Curiol ddod atyn ni, oedd o'n naturally just yn swyl, achos probably oedd o fel yn Cymru. Ddim yn siŵr, ddim yn nabod pobl yn iawn a dwi'n meddwl jyst dros amser, mae obviously sport yn codi hyder, cos mae o jyst i gwella.
Dwi'n hefo ffrindiau Robin a Robin dysgu mi basketball. Fi'n hapus dwi'n dod yn chwarae basketball yn fama. Fi'n chwarae eidi, chwarae efo tîm tegu a chwarae efo ffrindiau fel basket.
Absolutely love playing table tennis, and when I found out about it, I was so chuffed. I think for this session though, it's what's so special is it's being with like-minded people who are struggling with Parkinson's issues, but can come together and have a great time and relax in each other's company.
She's given me an outlook, she's given me a goal, given me like on a big cheese, but give me a purpose, I suppose, because without Rhiannon's help or volunteers' help, I wouldn't be where I am now.
Just like a little bit of my time has made a difference to the athletes.